Right, so the people that control the world, okay, the powers to be, the powers that be, the powers who are, yeah, they're directing us in a certain way. Um, Directed evolution, yeah. The whole LGBT agenda. I'm sorry, but it's that's what it's doing. It's there to destroy normal human procreation and society and how things build up and yeah, it's there. The powers that be are already in place. They're all in control, 10 of them, or how many you want to believe. They're there. The archons, they're there. They're already in place. And they're already pushing society in certain ways. Certain, yeah, it's practically too late. Digital currency is coming, for sure it's coming, you know. The bank, so like I was talking about control systems, and this is one of the control systems. It's like in China, social credit. I can cut off your bank account. Remember Justin Trudeau and the truckers? You can cut off their bank accounts. And in the Netherlands, what's going on? Farmers are losing their lands and their livelihoods. Actually, they're like dying, basically. The pain. And these people don't care. They're partying in Davos or wherever. They have their parties in Bohemian Groove, and they have the theater, and they have the old touchy-feely thing, and how to get rid of your emotions, and blah, blah, blah. And kids, kids especially, kids are... You feel strongly for kids. We all feel strongly for kids. We want them to grow up, to become strong, healthy, contributing adults. We want them to grow up well. They are the future. They are our future, they are our future. So kids have to be protected at all costs. And all these people want is to mentally damage our kids. They mentally damage our kids so that they'll hurt the rest of their lives, and they won't form proper relationships, and there won't be good kids. Kids who like get a good education because their families are all messed up. They can't go to a good school. Can do well in class, whatever, because there's family problems at home. Maybe some kids will get through the system, many don't. Well, but people do. I mean, everyone finds a way, especially with the internet these days. There are plenty of things you can learn. You can build anything. Go learn. You can just learn. Yeah, alright, I am out.